It's back, baby. Hallelujah.
Now, believe it or not, the A-1 plug spinner is back. And, A-1 had been around for many years making locksmith tools. They went out of business a while back, and really so many of their products really just dropped off the face of the earth, including so many fan favorites, including this plug spinner. Now, I'm gonna go ahead and give you a quick demo of the plug spinner, but I figured I shouldn't really be the one doing the video on this because, well, I know someone who really, it's his favorite plug spinner on the planet, and that's my dad. So Dad, take it away.
I was glad you found this thing because I think this is the best in the market, to be quite honest. It's lightweight. You fold it in, put it in your pick case. It's not bulky. It's everything a locksmith's dream, you know? You turn it, 2 half turns, 3 turns, you put it in there, bingo, baby, I am a happy camper. And it flips so well, it's unbelievable. This is what you turn left or right, and then this is the handle you hang on to. This is the spring what gets twisted. If you're over twisted, it will break. So I turn it really about 3 half turns is all you need. I've already picked the lock to the right, so let's spin it to the left. So I'm turning to the right. There's 1, 2, 3. Put it in the keyway and let go of your right hand and it spins it right over. And then just pull it out. And it's been flipped.
So there you have it. That's how it works. Of course, I'll put a link to the product attached to this video here. Go ahead and check it out. Buy one if you'd like. But of course, I really want to know, what do you think about it being back? I know my dad's pretty excited about it, but the question is, are you? Let me know in the comments. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.
Couple turns, put it in the keyway, and then turn it. And look at that. Whoop.
What?
3 times. Put it in the keyway. And then let go. And it's already picked.
It's already picked?
It's already flipped. 5 takes.
How happy are you?
Hey, happy.
Okay, so give us a little, it's back, baby.
It's back, baby. Hallelujah.
Hey, before you go, I want to make sure that you know to include the hashtag Lockboss when you comment on our videos, and you automatically get hooked up to win free stuff that we give away each and every week. Tune in live here on Tuesdays at 4 p.m. Pacific Standard Time and find out who the lucky winners are. I'm rooting for you. We'll see ya.